Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for choosing Rebikit. Please subscribe to Rebikit channel, a channel which is full of amazing videos. Guys, as you see me here, I'm in an African village. You can just look at the background. I'm in an African village, and I'm back with this video about bee farming. So I just want to show you there's a small scale bee farming here in this village. I want to show you, just come with me. Let's go. So guys, I don't just want to move here closer to this line because I understand this other side they are ready for harvesting. So if you look at these boxes, they have two steps. There is a first part and second part. So the queens are just below. The queens are below and the workers are above there. And you can see some bottle of water on top of that. That bottle of water is has water for them. So they drink that water, especially when they are in the dry season. So they take that. And if you look at this other side of the boxes, I understand they are ready for harvesting. And I just asked our squad to know how one would know when they are ready for harvesting. You see they come out. Like you see the small openings, that's where they get in and out. So they are ready for harvesting. So when we want to harvest them, most of the honey you get from the top. The queens doesn't give enough honey, but the top part gives us enough honey. So guys, what do you think about this? Is it not a good business to start farming or keeping bees? They can be kept anywhere. It doesn't matter about the climatic reason or purposes. It's a small scale business, which is good because, as you know the benefits of honey. Honey, some people use honey as medicine, especially for cough syrups. If you are coughing, we also use it in bread to add flavor to our bread for breakfast. We also use honey to make some juicy recipes. So I think if you look at my channel, you will see quite a number of recipes that I've done using honey. So honey is a very important product, and I've just met someone here, my cousin, who is doing this small scale business of honey in the village. Guys, you don't need to stay in the city to make it in life. You can make life anywhere. So Rebikit Food is just bringing you these videos that can help you earn your living. Not only eating, because for you to eat, you have to get something to earn. So this is related to food, related to recipes. You can start this. These are just wooden boxes. You get a full place like this, and you can rear this. And I understand he harvests quite a number of honey. Like you said, which one goes for 1,000? Quantity?
One box,
10 liters. 10 liters? Imagine, guys, 10 liters of honey, 1,000 Kenyan money. Why do you go for employment? So guys, please watch this video until the end. I'm just unable to open and show you the queens and the workers because they are hostile. I don't want to be beaten, but I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet another video. Bye bye. So a box like this will produce, when he's harvesting, will produce 10 liters of honey, and 1 liter of honey is 1,000 Kenyan money. So guys, is it not amazing? Earning from this small scale farming. Why should you get employed?
And they are five.
Why should you get employed? 10 liters one box, second box, third box, fourth, fifth. So this is a total of 50 liters. And 50 liters, is it really 50? 10 times 5, 50 liters. And 1 liter is 1,000 Kenyan money. Guys, make money, make money.